Do your legs often feel tired, swollen, or tingly? That's your body's warning signal. Poor blood circulation in your legs can lead to varicose veins, numbness, even serious heart issues if ignored. But here's the shocking part: you can improve blood flow in under 5 minutes a day using simple natural methods. Your legs are the farthest point from your heart, meaning they need a little extra help to keep blood moving efficiently. When blood flow slows down, oxygen and nutrients don't reach your muscles properly, leading to pain, cramps, and even skin discoloration. Lie down and raise your legs against a wall for 60 seconds. This instantly helps blood flow back to your heart, reducing swelling and fatigue. Try this every evening. It works shockingly fast. Dehydration thickens your blood, making it harder to flow. Aim for 8-10 glasses of water daily and add a pinch of Himalayan salt or lemon for better circulation. Massaging your feet activates tiny capillaries and relaxes tight muscles. Try massaging your calves and feet for 2 minutes daily, or use a warm oil like sesame or coconut oil for double effect. Take slow, deep breaths, 4 seconds in, 6 seconds out. This activates your vagus nerve, calming your nervous system and opening blood vessels for smoother flow. Add beetroot, garlic, dark chocolate, and oranges to your diet. These foods naturally open arteries, lower inflammation, and keep your blood pumping like it should. Don't ignore your legs. Poor blood flow today can lead to dangerous clots tomorrow. Start these hacks right now and feel the difference within days. Your body will thank you later. If you found this helpful, tap that like button and hit subscribe for more science-backed health hacks. Comment below. I'm boosting my circulation if you'll try these today. And remember, small habits create big health changes.